Welcome to 279 South 3rd Street in Lake Mary. It's on a Sunday afternoon, about 4 p.m. Let's start off by taking a look around. It's a very quiet neighborhood. Let's take a look inside. As you enter, you got items of flooring in the entrance, tile in the kitchen. This is your living area. There's your countertop dining, eating. Go this way. Solid wood cabinets all the way around with new appliances. Granite countertop. That's your stove. And that's your open view from the kitchen where you can pretty much see everything while you're cooking. A nice ceiling fan to keep you cool while you're doing that too. Come back out. That's your front door. Turn right. On our left is the first bedroom. As you can see, it has a huge window, lets in lots of natural light. It's got a ceiling fan. Different type of laminate flooring inside here with laminate. And the ceiling fan, that's your closet behind there. There's your kitchen, front door, living area, bedroom number 1. Here is your whole bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Vanity, tub, toilet, everything nice and clean. And here's bedroom number 2. Some flooring is bedroom number 1. Got a huge window, let in all that natural light. And from here, you can see a view of your backyard. That's your neighbor on that side. And again, your bedroom. And that's it. Come back out. It's your bathroom. 1 bedroom. 2nd bedroom. And at the back are your washer and dryer hookups. There's your one for your dryer. Seems the tenant left one for their washer here. And there's your water heater. And again, a view to your backyard. This is the entrance to the back of the property here. And you had a nice, quiet, relaxing time here in your huge backyard. And you got a little paved area here. Put your stuff. Back in. Laundry hookups. Fridge. Stove, microwave, and that's it. 279 South 3rd Street in Lake Mary.